And I'm just going to ask our new vice, Graham, if you can come and present our gift for our secretary who's on their way out. Oh no, I mean like, that's,
yeah, I was on my way out actually. Oh.
These are from my garden.
Really?
No.
Thank you.
Okay, we can eat now.
We've just had our AGM with the
Have a good rest and
Nice meeting you. Nice meeting you, John. Good to see you again.
we're here to have a meeting, and Sial has been nominated as a new president for the Niue Sports Federation. Yeah, #1 supporter here. #1 supporter, been here since the yellow bus days, driving everyone. If you know, you know. We're just
Yeah. Time for me to go and eat.
What do you think about Siale becoming the president?
I'm happy.
Yeah.
If the dad was alive, he would be happy. Yeah. He loves the running.
Yeah.
He always encouraged the kids. Actually, he runs everything. Sorry to hear about your husband. But anyway, good. He's coming back.
8 o'clock tomorrow. 8 o'clock, okay, yeah.
Perhaps any words with us?
Welcome everyone. Good outcome tonight. Good president.
There's a new president. Any words from our new president?
Yeah, really happy. Thank you, everybody. God bless. Don't forget to come to the athletics 2026. Thank you, John. Well ahead.
I'll go it. There you have it.
Who's finish on that Saturday?
This is June.
Okay,
Is
so
your
they were
secretary?
there supposed to
She's
be a
stepping
full
down.
day.
Yeah, we were.
Stepping down.
They stayed on. When because it was cold.
Yeah, good meetings. Old heads. Penn has been here for 35 years. So, yeah. Yeah, if you're keen on some movies, we're having fundraising.
Yes, next month we'll have a movie.
Can you give us a little bit of an advertising what that looks like?
So Sunday we're going to pick a movie for everyone that's fundraising for the Sports Federation, and I hope to see you there. So the cost, we're still working out the cost.
your brother and your sister.
Hang on. Sorry.
It's a movie, popcorn and an ice cream, so come along and support us and see you there. We'll give us some more details in the next few weeks.
Oh yeah, and usually it's roughly what, $20?
$20.
You get an ice cream,
Yes.
a movie, and a popcorn. Man, what a deal! Okay, so we're gonna wait out for your.
Yes.
Yeah. So how do we reach you?
Yeah, well, we'll be in touch. We'll put the newsletter out. But,
Facebook page or something?
yeah, Facebook page.
Any Instagram or TikTok?
Oh, just the Facebook page.
All right, okay, all right. Thank you, Nippy brother. Yeah, that's good. Got the message out. Here we got the Maniriwa zone leader. Any introduction?
Yeah, just reaching out to everybody out there. In the next 3 days, we've got Pacific Tag Federation that's happening out in Seaside Park in Otahu. Niue's got 8 teams, so please come and support our Niuean teams and look forward to your support. Awesome.
Yeah, that was Graham Fafusi. He's our new president for the Niue Sports Federation. Can't wait to see what he brings to the table. We're here at the end of the meeting. We've got our new president.
Yeah, we can meet.
We've got Joe here. We've got June. This is June, old secretary.
Hi, yeah, hallelujah.
So what your role now? Are you still in the, you're going to still
Yeah,
stay? Oh, yes.
I'm with Avondale, so yeah, that's all good. Yeah.
This is June, the secretary.
Yeah, it was previous. Now it's Courtney Straw. Congratulations, Courtney and Sally. And thank you, John. You never know. Sorry?
For lending us the batons on.
Oh yes. That's not. That's what we all do. You know, everyone just go around and ask. And there's always someone there to give you whatever you need. Yeah.
Okay.
Giving me things.
Yeah. So this is June.
Paul.
Yeah.
Blessings to everyone. Take care. And we'll see you when we see you. Hey, John.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good to be here.
Meeting.
Good to be here.
Yeah.
This is our President Pens. Any words for any future aspiring sports athletes from Niue?
Oh, just do your best and just make sure you look after your brothers and sisters. Yeah, but the biggest thing is plenty of heart for you. Don't give up.
How's it feel to be stepping down?
Oh, it's a bit sad, but also it's good for the organisation to have new people come in, new blood, new energy. So it's really good. So I'm glad that we've got a good crew coming on board. So just looking up, looking forward.
You don't mind me putting this on YouTube? Okay, then man. Thanks, Pens, for everything.
Yeah, no, you've been pretty good for the organisation, mate. Keep it up.
Tom McKee just wanted to say we had an awesome time. Tell the kids that it was the best day. Yeah, we loved it. Yeah, so looking forward to the next. Did an awesome job. All right. Okay. Thank you, Pens.
You guys.
Yeah, man.